Hello everyone, and welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we're going to explore the leopard, one of the most sophisticated and agile predators in nature. The leopard is a member of the feline family, known for its incredible speed and flexibility. There are several species of leopards, but the most common ones are the spotted leopard, the clouded leopard, and the cheetah. Each species has unique characteristics, but they all share traits of agility, strength, and exceptional hunting skills. The spotted leopard is distinguished by its yellow coat with characteristic black spots, which helps it blend effectively into dense forests or grasslands. These spots not only create a striking appearance, but also aid in camouflaging the leopard from prey and enemies. On the other hand, clouded leopard has a coat with mysterious cloudy patterns that add to its enigmatic beauty. The cheetah, fastest of the leopard species, has a sleek, elongated body and powerful legs that enable it to reach speeds of up to 112 km per hour in short bursts during a hunt. Leopards are apex predators with sophisticated hunting techniques. They typically stalk their prey quietly before launching a swift and powerful attack. Spotted leopards and clouded leopards often hunt large prey such as deer, antelope, and even monkeys, using strength and stealth to bring down their target from close range. Cheetahs, with their astonishing speed, focus on smaller prey like gazelles and hares, often ending their hunts within a few seconds. Leopards are solitary animals, usually only coming together during the mating season or while raising young. Each leopard has its own territory, carefully marked with scent to ward off intruders. This independence reflects the leopard's strong and decisive nature, always defending its territory and resources. Leopards play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling prey populations and preventing disease outbreaks. Their presence helps sustain biodiversity and the health of natural environments. However, leopards face many threats from humans, including habitat loss, illegal hunting, and conflicts with people. Several leopard species, particularly the clouded leopard and cheetah, are critically endangered with declining populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these valuable animals, from banning hunting to safeguarding natural reserves.